Kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta utuku wa gukia umuthi nikuo gikundi kia arigitani 50 makinyire kuma bururi-ini wa Cuba. Ataramu aya mekwamba gucorerwo mbica ya uria sekta ya ugima wa mwiri itari mbere ya matumitwo thibitari-ini ingi thiini wa county itiganite.
They are specialists, as we have said before, and they are going to go and fill in gaps that exist in our health system.
Itanya ria thirikari riri gukinyaniria kioneki kiayo gia kuheana motungata makinyaniru kuri mukenya wothe.
And I think that is what we need. We need service to wananchi as we aim for achievement of universal health care.
One development in Cuba, which I think is extremely important to us here in Kenya, is the fact that they have an institute for biotechnology and genetic engineering, which can be a major resource for developing domestic industry for manufacturing of drugs.
Gikundi kingi kia arigitani angi 50 gigakinya bururi-ini muthenya wa rucio utuku. Arigitani aya mekaniririe kandarathi ya miaka 2 na thirikari ya Kenya. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Inooro Swangoi.